continue Africa Live with the news that the United States has threatened to impose sanctions on Somalis who stand in the way of peace and the democratic process in Somalia. Speaking after a day-long visit to Mogadishu on Sunday, Assistant Secretary of State for African Affairs Johnny Carson said the sanctions would include a travel ban and asset freeze. Here's CCTV's Jane Kill with more.
For a while now, a sense of normalcy seems to have returned to Somalia. Many believe that the war-scarred Horn of Africa nation is closer to setting up a stable central government than it has been for the last 2 decades. But Somalia must beat an August 20th deadline to implement a UN-backed roadmap for a new government, which is a key step towards restoring stability. And the U.S., a key player, is not taking any chances.
The Assistant Secretary of State
After a day-long visit to Mogadishu and meeting with members of the transitional federal government, Assistant Secretary of State for African Affairs Johnny Carson issued a stern warning from Nairobi to those who stand in the way of the landmark process.
We will sanction spoilers. We will take action against those who attempt to impede the march towards greater stability.
The spoilers, according to Carson, include those in and out of government.
Visa sanctions, to travel sanctions, to asset freezes. There is a level of vulnerability for all of those who might be spoilers.
Carson becomes the highest-ranking U.S. official to visit Mogadishu in 20 years. Jane Keo, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.